Mr. Right here, and thank you very much to the person who sent in this question for today. If you'd like to send in a question for me to tackle, then please do email it to me. My email address is in the description of this film. Or, of course, you can add the question to the comments on this film, and I will see it there. Right, let's have a look at this question. So we have got the sum of the first 48 terms of a series is equal to 4 times the sum of the first 36 terms of the same series. And we're asked to find the sum of the first 30 terms of that same series. So let's have a look. First of all, this yellow highlighted bit, the sum of the first 48 terms of an arithmetic series. Well, here is the formula for the sum of the first n terms in an arithmetic series. That's given to you on the formula sheet, so I've written it there. So the sum of the first 48 terms. So the sum of the first 48 terms will be 48 over 2 multiplied by twice a plus 47d. Let's simplify that while we're at it. 24 lots of 2a plus 47d. That's going to be 48a plus 24 times 47, 1128d. So there is the sum of the first 48 terms of my arithmetic sequence. And I'm told that that's equal to 4 times the sum of the first 36 terms of the same series. So over here, let's find the sum of the first 36 terms, or at least an expression for that. 36 over 2 multiplied by twice a plus 35d. 18 lots of 2a plus 35d. 36a plus 18 times 35, 630d. Okay. Right, the sum of the first 48 terms of the sequence, that, is equal to 4 times the sum of the first 36 terms. That's that. So 48a plus 1128d is equal to 4 times 36a plus 630d. Right, so 48a plus 1128d is equal to 4 36s, 144a plus 4 times 630, 2520d. So here's an equation with a's and d's in it. Okay, I kind of quite like another equation with a and d in it, because then I'd have 2 equations I could solve simultaneously to find a and to find d. And then I could use those values of a and d to find the sum of the first 30 terms of the series. But when I look at the question, I can't see another way of getting a second equation. I've used the fact that I've got this fact here, and I've ended up with an equation which has got a's and d's in it, and I can't see another way of getting a second equation. So I'm a bit in the dark here. Okay. The joy of this question and the secret of success is to keep on thinking and keep on trying to crack something. Let's have a look at this equation here, and let's put all our a's on one side. Minus 48a from both sides, 144 minus 48, 96a, and let's put all our d's on the other. 1128 minus 2520 minus 1392d. Okay, well, let's stop and let's have a look at this. We're asked to find the sum of the first 30 terms of this series? Well, the sum of the first 30 terms. Okay, 30 over 2 multiplied by 2a plus 29d. Well, I still don't know what a and d is. But look at this. Take this equation and work out a in terms of d. Divide both sides by 96. 1392 minus 1392 divided by 96. I beg your pardon. 1392 divided by 96 gives me minus 14.5 d. So a is equal to minus 14.5 d. So I'm going to substitute this expression into this expression for a. So the sum of the first 30 terms is going to be 15 multiplied by twice a. No, remember, we're substituting in minus 14.5d. So twice minus 14.5d, that's minus 29d plus 29d, just copying that down, close the bracket. Look at that. That is 15 multiplied by minus 29d plus 29d is 0. So the sum of the first 30 terms is 0. And that is the solution to the question. You see, in this question here, the numbers all work out, so you can find the sum of the first 30 terms without ever finding a or d. Now, how you're supposed to see your own way through that, I'm not sure. I did it simply by writing down what I knew and then following my nose, trying stuff out until I managed to find a solution for the sum of the first 30 terms.